Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to make a moving background on your CapCut application. So here I already prepared to you the video. This is a primary video, so I would like to use this as my background on how to add an object on it. So you just need to go click an overlay. In this overlay, you just need to click add overlay, and you just need to go into the videos or photos that you want to add to your project. But today I would like to go with the stock videos, and I would like to go with the live. And here I would like to choose one of object. Okay, wait a minute, let me find it for you guys. Okay, I think I would like to go with this. Right, and after that you just need to go click add, and now we already have this overlay here. Now the things that we have to do, just make sure that the overlay part is inactive, and you just need to scrolling these tools into the left side until you find cutout. And now you already find a cutout, just click it, and now click remove background. Just need to wait until the process is 100% applied into your overlay video, so that there will be only this girl who appear on the screen. Wait a second, almost there. So the process will be following the length of the video. The longer your video, it will take a longer time for it. Okay, now we already have this object, and just click done. Now we just need to adjust in the size of this video by just pinch with our 2 finger and positioning, and after you're done, you just need to click random anywhere. Now let's take a look. Now the objects already have a moving background on it. So that's the way how to create a moving background on a CapCut. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.